What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nikita Marie, and today I'm going to show you guys the reveal of my laundry room. I was about to say my washer and dryer room, but yes, I'm gonna show you the reveal of my laundry room. So let's go see it. So we are going to open up these boxes. I'm gonna open, and then John is gonna place them on top of the counter. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Dang, how many boxes in a box in a box? You know how they say that song, racks on racks on racks? It's box on box on box. Here, now. Thank you.
I hit the
Your
plug.
grandmother knocked the plug out.
Jazz.
I think she's up now. You know, I'm hooking back up real quick. And then I cut some of your hair.
Huh?
I cut some of your hair. I like this.
You're.
A little bit. It'll come back.
Did you move?
Yeah, it's only a little bit. Oh, this is your t-shirt. It's just a little bit.
Where is it?
It's dropped some down.
That's wild.
It's just a little bit, man, Don. You be alright? Yeah. You, what you scared for?
Ow, Mom.
What? What you did? Wait, where you hit your face at? Are you joking or you serious? Oh, you okay? I'm sorry. Where you hit it at? Right there? Where?
Mom, I said my nose.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine. How did you, what, did you drop all the way down the floor?
Yeah, because I thought you were actually trying to freaking cut me.
No, I was kidding with you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
It's not, nothing wrong with it, so don't get rid of it. It's nothing, don't scratch or anything. Okay, so the pies are actually gonna go in here, guys. This is too big. Yeah, definitely. Smells so good. Now we're gonna put. Smells so good. Oh yeah, these definitely fit in here. Put the meat. Hold on, wait. I should have probably put it in the sink. Oh shit. It's shaking too much. That was hard. That way it won't hold so much of your clips. They'll transfer over quicker. Okay, guys. They're different kinds. Can I mix it? Let me smell it first. See what it smells like. This one is. I thought they were gonna be like. Love it to see, you know. I thought they were the mini ones. Oh yeah, I thought it was too. Just keep them in a box and just store them later. And I'm gonna add these in there. This is where they both got both. Okay. The grime finer, yep. Yeah, this is too big. I have to do two. Alright guys, so I have my labels and I'm gonna start putting them on. We have the laundry powder. Well, it's not powder. Ain't no liquid detergent. No, that's laundry soap. Oh, let's put that back. Molly, hee hee, hee hee. All right, so. So here, many of the items that you see came from Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, and also Target. So as you look up here, I bought these organizers up here to put my multi-purpose cleaner, my Lysol, my lint rollers once I received them from the store, my wipes. I use this glass container to put my laundry pods in. I bought 4 of these. They come 2 in a pack. So you'll have to purchase 2 sets of 2 if you want to have enough as I do, because when I pour it in there, I be having so much left over, so I just grab 2 just in case. But I use my bleach, my laundry detergent, my fabric softener. I also have 2 for my scent boosters. The blue, of course, is used for Najon because he loves more of those masculine smells. And the pink is for me. I brought the little scoopers inside. I got these off of Amazon too, so you can scoop them out. It makes everything easier. I'm also gonna order the pump that I can put on top of these tops, so I don't have to keep taking them open to pour it. I'm gonna buy the actual pump that you can hit, but the ones that I ordered that said it was for this, it was too big, guys. Like, I couldn't even close it, so I had to send those back. So hopefully I find the right sizes, and then we'll just be able to pump everything in there. Over here, I think these came 2 together, or was it 3 together? I think it was 2 each, so you'll have to buy 3 sets. But I have my laundry sponges, my dryer balls, my laundry pre-treat, my dryer sheets, my dusters and refills, and I have extra sponges because they came with 200 of them in there, so many. Up top, I have my Clorox. I'm gonna get a container later for the games to put away because I kind of don't like it there, but later on I'll find something I can fit. This will be moved. That's for my hair stuff that I use. I just throw it up there for now. This picture frame, which I love how it looks. I got it from At Home, and it can go long ways or it go horizontal or vertical, but I love it this way because of the spacing. I got this basket from Target, and I put like little rags inside, so in case things need to be wiped down. I don't know what's going on with this dryer, y'all, but I guess the whole bang, I don't know why it's dent in. But this plant came from Target. And then over here, I purchased this off of Amazon, and you can place it however you like. I have my cleaning supplies over here, the hangers for Najon to air dry his pants because he loves to put everything inside the dryer and make everything shrink. Having high waters, and I gotta keep buying new jeans so he knows to hang up his jeans. I have my other cleaning supplies like my broom, my Swiffer, my steam mop, my bucket, so everything is on this side. But yes, guys, this is my laundry room area, and I wanted to tell you guys, you do not need a huge home to make it your home. You can decorate, you can organize things, and I'm an apartment, so if I can make my apartment look nice, I'm pretty sure you can make yours look nice, or even if you have a bigger home. So all you have to do is just organize, guys, and just make things look neat, and then you'll change your house up. So yeah, I hope this inspired you guys to change up your laundry area. Stay tuned because I have so many more videos to show you guys. I actually finished everything like 2 months after I moved into the house, but it's so hard trying to record footage for you guys. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys my kitchen organization skills and things like that. So stay tuned. But I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for your support.